completely 60 seconds. Absolutely, you do not want to get it like 30-second cure or whatever, because you want to have a really good full cure. Because you know why? Because when you're doing a pigment on the top, you don't want it stained on the top coat. No wet top coat, yes. Just Vibrant Juliana.
She said she just started doing nails.
Oh. Hey, awesome. Great. All top on. Get a piece of paper. And make sure. Alright. Cure your nails, sweetie. She put no white chocolate before everything. Yes, Slay Queen. I'm gonna do this one. Getting closer to the cuticles area, but it's staying like just a hair away from it. Alright, love. Put in the lamp for 60 seconds. Looks really good. Okay, you all down. You say, wait a minute. I can't leave here with no nails. You want more fat. There you go. All right, all done, all clear.
I'll be back.
You'll be back. All right, so it's gonna be fun part. I love just doing this, and then Mika said, "What? Really? It looks really cool." Okay, our Weaver gel is really stunning to work with. It's keep its really like stringy consistency, and you can pull the strings. Look, it's actually stuck on mine. Pull the strings out. And again, it's just my old tip and trick that you see me doing maybe a million times. But I love doing it, and the clients love it as well. I am going to do some... So here's my 5 toothpicks that I tape it together with the Scotch tape. And then I will pick this one up and pull it like... Give it like how many? Shifts like 5 at the same time. And you're gonna do it the other way. Okay, great. I'm gonna save this one. We'll do something fun with that one. So stringy. I love it because you don't want them to like, oop, it's not stay anymore. You don't have to do a lot more. You can do less. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna do the other ones in a little bit on the ring finger. All right. It's so stringy. Looks cool. Okay, 15 seconds only, everyone. Just 15 seconds, okay? And then after that, you're gonna have to apply your pigments right away. Do not wait. The reason is you want to still get a tacky layer, so then you can apply the pigments on nicely, and they grip it better. Haha. I gotcha. My little brush. You're seeing this. We have this like an ombre brush, but it's there on the website forever. It's always because it will be like smaller size of an ombre brush. You can use it for your pigments. Someone need that pigment. It looks cute by itself already. All right, thank you. I'm gonna pick 3 colors. Whatever you call this, yellow? No. Key lamb, pink. Oh, who's that? Live vase there? No, okay, live vase. Here's a design. I got it for you. You wanna see this? Sorry, it distracts a little bit. Here. Here, next one.
Nice.
Yeah. No chance before today, but you need a manicure. We can see it really, really. All right, so I'm gonna dip into this brush.
Yeah, Chantella, you're gonna cure the gel for 15 seconds only, and then you're gonna dab the pigment on it right away.
You can dab it different spot. You don't have to be exact identicals. Just a little go a long way. I think I pick up a little bit more than I supposed to. You don't have to get that much of it. All right, so I'm gonna wipe it off on the side because you don't want your brush to be contaminated with different colors. It's nice to have a brush. You always seeing me doing it with my makeup sponge. Is that right? I'm gonna move this one baby over here, so I don't want to get this like okay, this spot, make it like look like an ombre. And I love it how it's like mixing and blending. It looks like a hot pink, and then it looks like an orange.
Said, go get the letters for Nancy to put on your nails.
Okay.
Livers.
Oh.
Yeah, you're never gonna get to that, right?
Oh, my God, we should put one on tomorrow. Oh my God. It's the same that you apply with the pigment though. I'm sorry, with the sticker. So you're encapsulating with the same techniques. So like right, we have it, and then every day we have so new ideas that we want you ladies to take advantage from that. You know, this pigment is so pigmented, it's gripped right in.
So Chantella asked, if you don't have the brush, what else can you use to dab it?
Oh, you don't have it, love? It's okay. Here, get me the makeup sponge. Eyeshadow applicator, like the old school forever, right, Mika? Like a long time before we even have any brush. Or if you don't even have that makeup applicator, what you need to do is just wear your glove and rub it with your gloves. However, you have that. There's right there, right there. Yep. All right, love, we'll move that one away so then I don't want to dust everything. Oh, here you go. It's old school, you can use it. You see me do all the time. It works. Okay, or put your gloves on. You don't want it using with your skin. Put gloves on. Because it's thin, you put gloves on and you can rub it.